What's good, World Squad? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video, I want to talk about 5 different ways you can make money on Amazon without having to store any inventory. Also, if you hadn't already, make sure you like and sub to the channel. Show your boy some love. I'm going to be dropping 5 valuable videos each week, so you don't want to miss it. Let's slide right into it. Yes, sir. If this is your first time watching this channel, my name is Travis Cooper.
To say it, I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
I'm the creator of Amazon Made Easy, where we give people the blueprint to build a multi-6-figure Amazon business. Here on this channel, we talk all things Amazon and entrepreneurship. On today's video, we're going to get into the 5 ways that you can make money on Amazon without storing any inventory. Coming in at number 1, Amazon Associates, right? Amazon Associates is basically like Amazon's affiliate program. You can make up to 10% on each product that you recommend to a friend, a family member, or your audience if you have a small following.
I don't even get that. What?
A lot of people get it confused and they misunderstand. They think if you recommend a link to somebody, it's going to charge them more than the original price. That's not the case. The price will be exactly the same. So if you recommend a water bottle that costs $10 with that link to a friend, a family, or a follower or a subscriber, the price is going to be exactly the same. Amazon will just give you a referral fee or up to 10% of that specific sale. So they reward you for recommending that specific product to someone else. This is an income stream that I have in my portfolio. I don't make the most money with it, but every little bit counts, whether it's taking over your electric bill, phone bill, gas for the month. You definitely want to have this stream of income in your portfolio.
Tell them to bring me my money.
The second way is through Amazon FBA. So if you have inventory but you don't have a place to store it, utilize Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon will actually keep all of your products in their warehouse. They will pick, pack, ship it, handle the customer service and the returns for you inside of your business.
Nice. Nice, guys. High five.
So definitely take advantage of that. If you don't have a warehouse or a garage space or a storage unit, utilize FBA so that you can make more money passively inside of your Amazon business. Coming in at number 3 is dropshipping. I know this is a touchy topic for most people in the Amazon community. But it is not against, let me say this again, it is not against Amazon's policy to drop ship. You just need to know how to do it the right way. If you're drop shipping, you need to be in constant communication with your drop shipping company to make sure they know Amazon's rule. So you must be the seller of record if you're drop shipping on Amazon's platform. So if it's coming from Walmart.com, it doesn't need to have Walmart.com on the outer box, inside on the packaging slip, any invoice or anything concerning the product. It needs to show that you are the seller of record, the return address, everything. So as long as you can negotiate that with your supplier, it's completely within the rules to drop ship on Amazon. Coming in at number 4 is print on demand or POD services. You can use different print on demand services to fulfill your orders on Amazon. You never see the product. All you need is a logo, some art print, some design. Long as it's nice, you can put it on a t-shirt, you can put it on a hat, mug, anything like that. That's a way to leverage other softwares and services to make money on Amazon.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Coming in at number 5 is KDP or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Through KDP, you can publish ebooks, spiral bound books, paperbacks, hardbacks. This is a service that once you set up, it can be ran completely passive. I've had ebooks, paperbacks, hardbacks still on Amazon to this day.
To this day.
That brings me in money each month. Amazon is going to handle the fulfillment process from A to Z. All you do once you upload it is sit back and rake in the money. So becoming an author and utilizing this service is a great way to make money off of Amazon with no real inventory. Now, I know you may be saying, Travis, well, I don't know how to write a book. So here's a way that you can get a book designed without writing it.
Yo, you about done? Tick-tock, mother...
Use a ghostwriter. So you can go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, actually get somebody to write your book for you, or you can do a low content book. What's a low content book? A low content book is something like a journal, a coloring book. It could be a checklist, something with not that many words, but it gives them the ability to fill stuff out, to fill stuff in, something like a calendar, something that's super valuable to the end buyer, but it doesn't really have a lot of words on the inside.
You a smart motherfucker.
You can also get these created on a freelance site like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. So basically, you can outsource all this work. Make sure you get a professional designer for your cover, because think about it. Whenever somebody is looking to purchase a book, they're going to look at that cover and that title. So cover and title are the two most important, in my opinion, for your success in selling your book on Amazon, because we want to make sure it's attractive to the eye, and when they read the title, it piques their curiosity. Because you guys are part of the Wealth Squad and you my family, I had to give you a bonus one. So the bonus one would be to buy stock or buy shares in Amazon's company, right? That's a completely passive way to make money off of Amazon's company. Now, I know some people may not be able to afford a full share of Amazon, but you can leverage sites like Webull, Robinhood, and I'm pretty sure it's a slew of other ones out there that you can leverage their platforms to buy fractional shares of these companies. So make sure to get in the game. I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere for the foreseeable future. So get in there, make a safe investment. And like I said, you know, if you don't have the money to buy a whole share, buy a fractional share. You could put $50 in, you could put $100 in, but get in the game. Make sure that you're out there building your passive income to take over your active income, because as we age, I know when you're young, you really don't think about it, but as you age, you want to still be able to bring in the same amount or more money whenever you get older and get into that retirement age. And the best way to do that is to start building up your passive income now by utilizing these ways that I gave you guys today. So there you have it, 5 different ways you can make money on Amazon without storing any inventory. Trav Coop signing off. Love y'all. Be blessed. See you on the next one.